Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I'm going to try something I hadn't never tried before. And so I watched several videos on how to cook the salmon, and there's a lot of different variations, so I just took a little of each one of them and thought I'd give this a try, see how it works. And so I've got 2 teaspoons of this fresh squeezed lemon juice here. I got 2 tablespoons of this rub some fish seasoning, and it says it's got lemon, dill, and sesame in it. So we'll see how that works. And I've got a teaspoonful of garlic powder here. And we'll mix it in this little measuring cup here so I can just pour it over top this fish. So pour them in there. I might have to squeeze me out a little bit more lemon juice. Let's see how that's going to mix. Oh no, that looks pretty good. Just leave it like it is and see if we can pour it over it. Well, that looks pretty good. Now, the next thing we'll do after I've done that is we'll get out this Ninja FOODi crisper basket here. And we'll try to set these 2 pieces of fish right down in there. Like I said, now I've never tried this before, so if it comes out a big mess, you get to see what not to do. Now, clean my hands again. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this crisper basket right over here and set it down inside this Ninja FOODi basket. And then I'm going to shut the top on this Ninja FOODi Deluxe here. I'm going to turn on the power. I'm going to put it down here on bake. I'll put it down here on bake roast. Alright, it comes up 375, and that's what I want. And I'm going to leave it on 15 minutes, and I'm going to try it after that just to see what it is, because I'm going to let it cook till it gets nice and flaky. So we'll turn it on, see how it now. And on the videos I watch, there's so many different variations. I'm just going to have to experiment with it till I see. So then we'll hit the start button. And there it goes, counting down from the 15 minutes. So while you got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people that watches our videos. And you might see something you like on our links down below from Amazon down there, so check them out. So we'll be back in about another 14 minutes. Okay, now it's been about 8 minutes. Let's just take a look and see what it looks like. Well, it's coming along pretty good. It sure does smell good, I know that, but I can tell right now it's nowhere near done, so I don't know what I'm saying that for when y'all can't see what's going on down there. So we'll shut the lid and start it back and let it go a while longer. Okay, now we're down under 20 seconds here, and the last time I looked at it, it was looking like it was flaking up pretty good, so we'll take it out or take a look at it and see here in just a few seconds. Okay, let me move it over here so you don't see down there when I lift the lid. Okay, now you can see where this little piece come off here where I touched it with a fork. That's pretty flaky down in there. So I'm not really sure how you're supposed to tell if it's done, but they always tell me if fish is flaky like that, it's done. So I'm going to take a piece of this out and try it, but that little piece I tried right there is really delicious. I'll tell you that right now. I might use just a little less lemon juice next time because it's got some lemon in it. So let me turn this thing around and get one of them out. Okay, let's see if this piece will come out without falling apart. Oh yeah. Just like that. Let's see if it'll cut down here. I'm going to tell you one thing though before I ever cook another piece. I'll make sure I do cut the skin off because that skin is really tough. But now that fish, that looks really good. Well, it's really hot. Here's this other piece. Okay, now I'm going to try to just take another little piece of this off this skin right here. Yeah, it's just as flaky as it can be. And it's still hot too. So, let's see here. Well, that was really good right there. I sort of surprised myself how good it is. Like I say, I've never cooked anything like this before. So I'll probably be cooking it some more because look how flaky that is. It just jumps off that skin. That really looks good. Yeah, it is good. So until next time, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. It's just a little short thing. Of course, a lot of stuff you cook in this Ninja FOODi Deluxe is a little short thing because it just cooks it up right away. So, anyway, I hope you watch more of the videos and come back and see us real soon. And until then, y'all have a real good and safe day. And goodbye now.